ना ते कितें ना तशें कांय ना तें आमी आनी हांव आनी चीफ मिनिस्टर दोनी सेम पेजार आसतले आमचे पार्टीचे लिडरशीप बी आहा आमकां आमी ते केन्ना केन्ना आमकां गायड करता ऑन वेरियस इश्यूज देर इज अ ओपन डिबेट एंड वी हॅव टू सी वॉट इज इन द बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल वॉट एवर इट इज if it's a nursing college it can happen faster because when Mr. Manohar Parrikar was the chief minister and late Mr. Manohar Parrikar who had already made provisions there for a nursing college, then I said no, we can have a private medical college, but then for that all codal formalities, all these things have to be followed. So I and the chief minister will ultimately sit down and we'll see what, but I want a nursing college and I also want that there should be more seats available to the goals, but that is all. See, nursing college immediately I can, it is already there in the file earlier. Let us see how it goes and see what is the best interest of the people. We will take everyone, all the stakeholders into confidence into it. I don't want to take any decisions one-sided. Whether it is Reginald sitting in Kurturim, whether it is coming in Salsette, we will take all the people into confidence and we will do what is in the best interest.